Welcome back to Life Millwife. We got bonus haul because Kevin decided that he needed to go out for a bit. So what'd you get? I stayed home. I stayed home, out of those stores and away from all those people.
Well, we got our weekly Pepsi, but I had to go to Superstore to get it price match.
Yeah.
I went into Shoppers, first time I've seen it. They only had like maybe and they each hold like 4 on a flat. They only had probably 6.
Wow.
Yeah, like there was tons of Coke. Not so much Coke Zero, but
Wow.
a little bit of Pepsi.
So what was the price?
$2.45 a piece. So with all their taxes and the plastic charge that they charge, $5.89. So
Save that until last and we can open it and review it.
Okay.
Okay, so then where'd you go? Oh,
Well, the first stop was G&L. Yeah. So they all have the prices on them. So stocking stuff for $4.99 for that big bottle of Dove. You can't get it for that price. That's cleaner for the stove. $2.29. I wasn't sure if I know I'm getting low, but and then we bought some more of this coconut soap. $2.29 a bottle.
we didn't. You did, because I didn't go to the stores.
Well, I did. Bought some more of this Winnipeg style rye bread.
I like it.
Yeah.
I think it's got a really nice flavor.
I couldn't even tell you what it's, because I can't remember what it would cost. Yeah, I'm not sure what it was.
And I can't look at the receipt because he said there's a secret on it.
And then bacon and cheese tomato.
My favorite bagels that are hard to find.
And then a big bag of Twix bites. Yeah, you can't get them for that price.
What's the price?
$3.49. Best before December 6th, so we got a month.
Not quite.
And then OMGs. This is a local company that started up here in Winnipeg, actually.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, Border Street, Winnipeg. Yeah. Remember they were on...
Yeah, but it was a different packaging. That's why I didn't realize it was the same one.
Well, it's because it's a different...
Yeah, I didn't realize.
Chocolate, but yeah.
Yeah, I didn't realize.
So, yeah, and they were on the Canadian Dragon's Den years ago. Yeah. So that is, yeah. And those were only $5.99 for that huge bag. So. Yeah, and then got some bacon, $3.49 for 500. That's thick cut, but I bought 3 of them. I normally do. I haven't bought these in a long time. But you know what? I did anyway. Some just pizza snacks, pepperonis. I don't even know how much they were. $5, I think. And then $7.99 for that big margarine. It's not a great deal, but it's still a good deal.
It's, because
two of the 900s are $5.99, depending if you don't get them on sale or not. But I can go to Costco and get 2 of these for $13.
Yeah, that's still good.
We haven't done our Costco membership for a while, so yeah. And then Canadian Tire, 2 totes. They were $6.99 a piece. So I picked a couple up for Kelly. She wants them for all her craft stuff because we're getting ready to decorate, and I told her this here.
No, I ain't
she's
showing.
not gonna show it.
I ain't
it's
showing.
Not gonna be.
I ain't showing
because I need the room to set up, and it needs to be out of here. Because once I decorate, it's nice, and I don't like the clutter. I don't mind it. You can look like this in the basement. I don't care, but my day-to-day area, it really bothers. Okay, and then I bought some air freshener for the car. I don't have them. And then
why don't you sit down and
open it? I will. Why don't we clear all this stuff off
and bring them back?
We'll bring them back. We'll clear all this off, and then we'll open this up.
Do an unboxing. All right. All right, we are back with the new pots and pans.
So I called Kelly, say, hey, they got them on sale, blah, blah, blah. And I said, we're going to keep them and wrap them up for Christmas. I lost.
Because all of our pots and pans are that stupid Teflon that's peeling. It's gross. It's not good for you.
So really, well, we threw out the big black one because we got that nice
Dutch oven.
The other two pots that we have are not the set. The original pots we had are long gone. And we still have the little small one that, yes, every time you make stuff, the black stuff flings off.
And it's bad for you. It's not good for you.
Yeah. So and we have tons of lids underneath. I got to get rid of all of that.
Yeah. Get rid of it all.
Clean it up to make room for all this.
Yep.
We can probably get rid of those, or at least just take them downstairs, those Tupperware steamers and stuff. Because we got this nice steamer here now.
No, I like the microwave ones though.
Okay.
For quick stuff.
Anyway, so originally, I don't think I told them actually what we paid for it.
Mm-mm.
No. Originally $7.99. They're on sale, and I've done like we've been keeping an eye on different stainless steel, and you know, it doesn't matter if you pay $800, $2,000. The reviews seem to all be the same. Oh, I used them once, and they're stained. Well, the thing with stainless steel, there's certain applications. Yeah, you can boil water in high heat, but you got to turn it down because you can't cook with high heat with these because it's not. They tell you that. I mean, it's right in the instructions because it burns. Anyways, yeah. So I had paid $199, so I saved $600. Well, I didn't save anything because I still spent.
No, you did save because we did need them.
I know we didn't. And Kelly's actually been bugging me. I bet you since we moved here.
Oh yeah, it's been a few years.
And I just never wanted to put the money out for now. You know.
And
now that the kids are all gone.
Canadian Tire is, I know there's a thing in the States called, shoot.
I don't know.
I've got it on the tip of my tongue.
U.S. hardware stores.
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight, yeah.
Yes, Canadian Tire is similar to a Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
And
well, and the Harbor Freight's kind of like our Princess Auto too. So
yeah.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah. So, and I've heard and seen some videos where people get like amazing deals at Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
And that's how Canadian Tire works too. Like they'll put their really high-end
Well, especially
stuff
for pots and pans.
at tools.
Yeah, tools.
Tools.
I've never paid full price for tools. I'm kicking myself in the butt. They had a reciprocating saw on sale for $60. I was in there today, and it's back up to $99. So, anyways.
Watch for it again.
Yeah. Oh yeah, February, close to Christmas. Well, I got my Impact. Socket set last year for Christmas, just after I got out of the hospital.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I had a whole 4 days to do shopping. So in this, we got a 1.1 liter saucepan.
Does it give American?
14 centimeters.
Does it give American sizes too?
No.
Oh.
Nope. Sorry. 1.5 liter saucepan, a 2.0 liter, 2.8, and a 5.7 liter Dutch oven. And a steamer. The steamer goes inside the bigger. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So. Okay, can you move your... Thank you. I did call ahead and told Ashley clear off the table.
Yeah, but I didn't want to take everything off of it. So this is all that's on it. Like, seriously, people.
Yeah. Important notice. Thank you for choosing La Gacetina. Carefully unpack your product and check that all items are included and in good condition. Should you have any questions or notice that something is missing, damaged, defective, do not contact the store. They have a hotline. Okay. Limited lifetime warranty. So read care instructions. It's warranted for lifetime, be free of defects in material and work under normal household use. Nice. The phenolic glass, silicone parts, lids, handles, knobs are warranted for 1 year. Yeah, anyways. Before using your cookware for the first time, wash in warm soapy water with a sponge or dishcloth. Rinse and dry thoroughly. Low to medium heat settings are recommended to avoid food sticking to pots. Overheating can cause brown or blue stains to appear. Hence what I've read people go, oh, there's a stain, there's this. Yeah, because you cooked it too high heat. Now, if it does put a stain, it doesn't ruin it, but that's the way it is. Yeah.
But if you do burn stuff on them, they do get a hot spot that will end up burning multiple times if you're not careful.
Avoid placing hot pan in cold water. Yeah. Do not heat utensil when it is empty. Be sure there's shortening food or liquid in each utensil before it's placed on a large range burner.
Are you bored, Brody? Daddy boring you?
Add salt to water only after it has come to a boil to avoid white dots or pitting. Oh.
We don't add salt to water anyway, but
they're saying to do that to avoid. Yeah.
Wait, buddy. Are you bored? Tell Daddy to get on with it. We want to see the merchandise.
Yeah, so never using oven greater than 350. We won't ever do that.
Well, no, because we got
that nice Dutch oven that we got. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Woohoo! A lid.
What's that? What's that? Is that a hat for Brody?
Another lid.
Maybe that hat will fit Brody.
Yeah. Another lid.
Ooh, that's a big one, eh, bro?
Alright, well, here's our first small pot. The other key thing is you want to have the nice
thick bottoms.
Thick bottoms.
Yep.
So that is where the pot ends, and then that's the bottom. So that's fairly thick. Yeah.
He's kissed every piece.
Oh, of course he has.
You approve of this one? Oh, they're heavy, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You approve of that one too? Okay. Oh, what about this one? Do you approve of this one? Okay.
It's funny because I don't really see us using like this big one other than the steamer.
Oh no, that would be great for potatoes, like when Dorothy and Len come over for Christmas and stuff. That size.
Okay, so this is the steamer that goes in the bigger one.
That's nice.
And it's nice because it doesn't drop right in. Like it sits on top, so you've got room. You got quite a bit of space between that.
That is nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So that lid, oh yeah, that's the lid. Yeah. All right, and that is the
Dutch oven.
Dutch oven.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's 11-piece set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So they're all here.
Awesome, awesome.
Yep.
Get rid of my old crap.
Now I gotta go underneath and clean out and get rid of the old pots.
All right, there you have it.
Old lids.
Unboxing of our new pots and pans. All right, we will see you on the next video.